Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be talking about what questions do you need to ask to the interview once your interview is done. So whenever you are giving an internship interview, so in the end they ask you that do you have any questions for us. So now is there a wrong answer for this? And the answer is yes. You just can't say no. Okay, you're meeting them for the first time, you're having a call with them for the first time, you have to have questions. If you don't have any questions, they're gonna feel like you're not serious about the job, or you don't really have that kind of passion about doing the job for them. So and definitely they want hardworking guys. So yeah, let's look into the question and how can you answer it. What kind of question should you really ask to them? First question that you can ask is, can you describe a typical day in my life with this company? So, and this is really important even for you, and I ask this question because it is really important and you should know this if you're applying for the company, right? Because you have to manage college and whatever other stuff you are doing, so you need to know what or how is going to be the workflow, who is going to assign you the task, and how is it going to be regulated. So asking these questions is not only important, it also shows that you're serious. Next question that you can ask is, what does success look like in this role? So let's say, when I applied for content writing, what I can ask is, okay, so right now I'm just working as a content writer. So after maybe, they say that 2 months or 3 months, they'll give you a salary hike or whatever is it. So maybe they'll promote you to another position and whatever is it according to the work. So they're going to talk about that. And if you're working in such an internship in which you're trying to enhance yourself, you're trying to learn more and more. For example, let's say if you're looking forward to become a social media manager and you applied for a particular position, maybe graphic designer. So you can ask this so that you can know that what all will be your scope and how much can you grow out of this company, not just for working but even from your learning experience. And at what position will you feel comfortable so that you can continue with the work. In this, if you build good relation, you can even talk to them that maybe you're working in a particular role that is social media and you want to switch to something else, like maybe you just want to write email drafts or you want to gain some experience in that. So you can talk to them, you can say that maybe I just want to manage your LinkedIn account or whatever is it. Maybe you have managed too much of Instagram and now you want to learn how to manage LinkedIn. So if you build good relation with them, then definitely it is possible. So basically just ask questions that are really relevant to you. Why have you applied for the internship? First of all, you want to learn something or whatever is it. So whatever those things are, if maybe if you can ask these things in the interview, then it really depends on the interviewer as well, that are they just looking for a person to work or are they flexible with the role, everything. So you have to look at all those things, and whatever questions you're having, you need to ask them and you need to get them cleared, because it will be important for you, because you are applying for this internship for some particular reason, right? You want to learn or whatever is it. So if that is not done, then there's no point of applying an internship. Next you can ask is, what is the work culture over here, what is their management style, whatever is it. So maybe they can say that okay, you'll be assigned a particular manager, he'll be assigning your work and he'll be checking you whatever doubts you're having, whatever is it. So basically you'll get to know how is your work going to be regulated and how is everything going to work in the company for you, how much you'll have to give the time and whatever is it. Also you can get these things cleared. If you are in college, then maybe you can't really manage both college and this, so you can ask that whenever you will be having exams, then can they give you leave. Or maybe if you're working with a partner, like maybe you two guys are assigned to do a particular work, so is it possible that we coordinate with him or whatever is it. So you can clear all these things, that in the exams will you be able to get leave or whatever is it, whatever is important to you. Basically you need to ask those questions. Now one of the biggest things I think that is important is that you need to focus on the answer when you ask all these questions, because you just don't want to get in the loop of continuously asking questions and they are answering it and you're just ready with your next question. You need to avoid that. You need to actually listen to the answer, because after all you are applying for this internship because it is relevant to you. So maybe don't just keep your questions ready, listen to the answer, and if you have another doubt just from that answer and the question is not properly clear, so focus on that. So I think all these pointers, these questions will be enough. Even you will be cleared, like how is going to be the job role, everything, and even they'll feel that you're serious because you're asking these relevant questions. So yeah, that was it for the video. So if you liked it, make sure to subscribe. I'll be uploading similar content on internships and much more. Also, I have a WhatsApp group, so you can join that. Over that you'll get a similar community of college students. So if you have anything to discuss about, maybe something about coding or whatever is it, so we can discuss all about that. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you.